Baby truck is falling down, falling down, falling down. Baby truck is falling down. Clumsy baby. Baby truck has had a bump, had a bump, had a bump. Baby truck has had a bump. Clumsy baby. Gekko will fix you up, fix you up, fix you up. Gekko will fix you up. Gekko to the rescue! Bobby the bus has had a bump, had a bump, had a bump. Bobby the bus has had a bump. Clumsy Bobby. Gekko will fix you up, fix you up, fix you up. Gekko will fix you up. Gekko to the rescue! Helena has had a bump, had a bump, had a bump. Helena has had a bump. Clumsy Helena! Gekko will fix you up, fix you up, fix you up. Gekko will fix you up. Gekko to the rescue. Gekko will fix you up, fix you up, fix you up. Gekko will fix you up. Gekko to the rescue!
Come on, Mechanicals. We have Fiona Fire Truck in today. Whoa!
I'm Wilbur T. Weasel, owner of Weasel's Wheels, fully automated to fix things fast.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. I'm Gekko.
Oh, here's my first customer. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. See you, frog?
The name's Gekko.
OK, Floella. Won't take long. I'm not too sure which button starts the service. Oh, pressing them all should do the trick. Come again, Felicity.
That was quick. Oh dear, she doesn't look good. Come in, Fiona. Let's have a look. That's the problem. Weasel was in such a rush to get things done that he put soap in your tank instead of oil. We fixed the problem properly. Now Fiona's running bubble-free.
I'm sure I pressed the right button. Oh, yuck!
Oops! See you again soon at Gekko's garage. Bye! Almost done, Fiona. Here comes your new ladder. Cat, be careful!
Hola, Gekko! Me and Helena are practicing our loop-the-loops. Look at us go! Woohoo! Yeah! Let's try a big one.
Oh, look out, Cat!
Oh no!
Incoming! Oh, are you okay, Red?
Gekko, I can't
Oh no! Quick, Mechanicals! We've got to help. Fetch me those wheels, please. Just a little closer.
I'm trying.
Oh!
No! Hang on, Gekko.
Blue, grab the skids. I have an idea. Now, Blue.
Phew. Another happy landing. Thanks for the help, Gekko.
No problem, Cat. All part of the service. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gekko's garage. Oh, it's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Oh, look. Here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Oh, hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gekko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course! We haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top, we can wash all that mud off. Oh! That's strange. The rollers are meant to roll the bubbles off. Hurrah! Ooh! Aha! That's it! Baby Truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Ah. Hee. Hooray! The car wash is working and Baby Truck is sparkling clean. It's cheerio from Gekko. Bye! What's all that noise? Oh, it's Barry the bus. Looks like he's in a rush. Are you all right, Barry? Oh, you're worried about being late. You're not going to get anywhere like this. Let's take a look at you. Green, could you fetch my best wrench, please? Oh, Green, you're feeling stressed, aren't you? I think we all need to take a deep breath. Let me show you. First, we take a deep breath in. Then, we breathe out. Now you try. In, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah. There. Better? Remember, it's always good to take a deep breath if you're feeling stressed. Bye, Barry.
Pass me a wrench, please. This bolt is loose. We best get going, Tilly. We don't want to be late. Oh, Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in.
Good morning, mechanicals. Up bright and early for a new day's work. Blue? Nuts and bolts. I think he's sleepwalking. Wake up, Blue. A garage is not a safe place to be sleepwalking. Blue? 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 I don't feel so good. Oh dear, it's Carry the Bus's service today. Can you handle that, mechanicals? Is everything okay? Huh? What was that noise? It's okay. I feel a bit better now. Huh? Looks like the mechanicals have it all under control. Great job, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're busy today. It's really important we keep Dylan's water levels topped up to keep his engine cool. Ready, mechanicals? Go, go, H2O! That's not good, mechanicals. There's no water coming from the pipes.
Oh, it's wonderful!
Soggy screwdrivers! Mr. Weasel's fountain is using all the water.
I thought frogs liked water.
We still need some clean water for Dylan's engine, or he'll overheat.
Not so fast, trash can. This is my water from my tap.
I know, Green. Water's for sharing, not wasting.
Oh, it's raining. My lovely hair might get wet. Oh.
Thanks, Blue. But we need to collect the precious rainwater. Quick, mechanicals! Use whatever you can! Great job, everyone! We've got the rain to thank for filling Dylan's tank.
Yeah!
Wow! What a lot of water Dylan's collected! We won't waste a drop of it. All jobs done. Before we use water, it's important to think how we use it wisely to wash, fill and drink.
My precious fountain.
Oh, Mr. Weasel, you'd best get a mop. And remember next time not to waste a drop. Good job, Baby Truck. We're almost done with your driving test. You just need to reverse up this ramp. Don't worry. Slow. Easy now. Nicely done! You passed your first driving test, Baby Truck.
You call that a driving test? Fish. Now this is a driving test. Eh, Sly?
What exactly are you testing for?
How much better we are than you. This is too easy for me. Sly, you oversized toaster.
Help! Baby Truck, we have to rescue them. Take your time. You can do this. Great touching, Baby Truck. Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. I'll have you down in no time. Just like you reversed in the test, Baby Truck. Nice and steady. There we go. Safe and sound, Sly.
Well, looks like I finished that driving test quite nicely.
Baby Truck, you're like no other. You passed the driving test with flying colours. Hello, everyone. Baby Truck's here for a play date with the mechanicals. I'll come play soon. I just need to finish changing Fiona Fire Truck's wheels. Oh! Someone needs our help. Oh no! There's a fire and Fiona can't help. Her new wheels haven't arrived yet. What will we do? Aha! That's it! The car wash! Baby Truck, how would you like to be a fire truck for the day? truck.
It's okay, Trevor. No need to fear. Gekko's firefighters are here. Oh no! We've sprung a leak! Take over, Red! Oh, good, Red! No problem, Trevor. And well done, baby. You make a really good fire truck. Bye, everyone!
Hey, it's Max, the monster truck. What can we do for you today? Oh, you want to look like your hero, King Crash! I think we can do that, Max. I'll get my tools. Mechanicals, you get started. Okay, got all my tools. Mechanicals! What have you done? Oh, you all might think he looks great, but it wasn't what he wanted. Don't worry, Max. We'll put you right. All done, Max. Is this what you wanted? Another happy customer here at Gekko's Garage. See you all soon.
Happy Halloween!
It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gekko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye! Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look! It's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Aha! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Ooh. Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, go, mechanicals! Ow! Nope, that's not it. Wait a minute. Oh. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's garage. Bye! Hello, everyone. We're just about to fit Trevor's new attachment. Green, could you please pass me? Green? Green? Green, where are you? Oh, Green's watering her favourite tree.
Out of the way, Tiny! I'm going to build my new junk food cafe. And this tree is in my way. Move it, trash can. This tree's history.
Mr. Weasel, you can't cut down Green's favourite tree.
Why not? It's just a silly tree.
Because, apples. Aha! That gives me an idea. Trevor!
Wobbling whiskers! What are you up to?
See, Mr. Weasel? The tree's important. It grows tasty apples. You don't need a junk food cafe when you have this tree.
Oh, you think I'd rather have some silly apples than... That's delicious.
I'm proud of you, Green. You were brave and protected this tree. Well done. Wow! Great job, Mechanicals! A clean garage is a happy garage. That's odd. We're losing power. Something must be wrong with our solar panels. Oh dear, the sunlight's being blocked. But that's no normal cloud. Let's go and investigate.
Try now, Dylan. I don't understand. Your engine should be working fine. I followed the instructions.
Morning, Mr. Weasel. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Gekko. I give up.
Let me take a look, Dylan. The bad news is we'll have to take out your engine, Dylan. But the good news is I've got a brand new one that will be much better for you and for everyone else. Perfect. We're going to need the sun's help. And so is Dylan. This battery will charge with power from the solar panels, whilst we fit Dylan's new electric engine. Looking good, Dylan. Good job, Green. Clean customers are happy customers. And a cleaner planet is a happier planet too. Great Halloween costumes, Mechanicals. You ready to go trick-or-treating? Sorry, Mechanicals. I have to finish Baby Truck's oil change. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Trick or treat? Bah! You don't get any sweets unless you scare me. And I am unscarable. Rubbish! I guess I'll need to eat all these sweets by myself.
Huh? Back already? Oh, I'm sorry, Mechanicals. Wait, what's that, baby truck? Aha! That's a good idea.
More of those annoying trick-or-treaters. Leave me alone. I don't want...
Well done, baby truck. That gave him a Halloween scare, all right. Hoo-hoo! Happy Halloween! Oh, well done, Cat.
Gracias, Gecko. We're here at Cat's place for her birthday today. We got her a big cake, but shh, she doesn't know yet. Someone needs rescuing.
Don't worry, Yellow. I just need to adjust the winch.
We need to fall fast. Helena, stop the rotor. Ready, Gekko?
Almost. Yes!
Another happy landing. And... happy birthday, Cat. Gracias, amigos.
Hooray! Oh, hurrah! It's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in. Another cave-in! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? I didn't know you were so strong! Mummy Truck saved the day! I'd better call Eric the excavator to clear away all these rocks. See you all soon for more fun and adventure at Gecko's garage.
Doors open at speed. It's time to help. Lots of vehicles in need. Spinning screwdrivers, mechanicals. Our friends all have flat tyres. Oh dear. Sounds like the vehicles are tired of waiting. Oh, nuts and bolts! I've never had to fit so many tyres this fast. Speaking of fast tyres, that sounds like Grandma!
There's my little Gekko, with a very big job to do.
How did you know?
The dear little blue one let me know. It's okay to ask for help sometimes.
Thank you both.
Happy to help, just as you've always helped me and everyone else. Now then, kids, let's get organised.
Go, Grandma! Right, mechanicals, I have an idea.
You've been practising, Gekko.
I learned from the best.
Come again soon, dear.
Thanks, Grandma. I'd never tire of working with you.
And you never tire of your jokes either. Now, who's hungry?
You deserve a rest, Grandma.
But I brought your favourite, Grandma's apple pie.
Oh, All right, mechanicals. Max wants to get better at jumping, so we need to upgrade his engine. Blue, could you see who's at the door, please? Who is it, Blue?
I hope you enjoy my little present, Gecko.
Ooh, what's this? A present? I wonder who it's from. Wow! A new car jack. Let's test it out.
Since I put that spring in the jack, I think you'll find it a little bouncy.
Mechanicals! Oh, thanks, mechanicals. I think that car jack is a bit broken. Wait a minute. Okay, Max, give it a try. I guess there's a use for everything. Good work, everyone.
Yuck!
Hello, everyone. It's Green's birthday, and we're getting ready for a beach party. Steady! These are helium balloons, so they float up. Everything's ready. We're just waiting for Fiona Fire Truck to bring Green's birthday cake. Careful, Fiona. Don't drive on the wet sand. Quick! The tide's coming in. We'll get you out somehow, Fiona. Aha! We can lift her out with all of your balloons green. I know you love your balloons, but Fiona really needs them. Can we use them, please?
It's working! It's working! Uh-oh! It's working too well! She's flying off! That's it! Go, go, Mechanicals! Nice work, Mechanicals! And here come the rest of the party guests. Glad you could make it, everyone. Well done for sharing, Green. And happy birthday to you. Hooray! Thanks, Mummy Truck. Thanks, Mama Recycle. So far, so good. Remember, everyone, it's Valentine's Day, and we're helping Baby Truck make a dinner for her mummies. It's a big secret, so shh. You get it ready. I'll keep the mummies busy. We've got to make sure your hubcaps are clean, Mama.
Huh?
Must have been, the wind? Come on, let's check your bolts are tight enough. Whew. There we go. All done. Ta-da! Happy Valentine's Day, Mummy and Mama. Oh, you're welcome. But it was all Baby Truck's idea. Oh. Well done, Baby Truck. Your mummies are so grateful. Oh, hello, everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage. Oh, it's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. Oh. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. Oh. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea. Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Perfect! Merry Christmas, everyone! You can do it, Molly! Hooray! Oh, she's got it! Don't worry, Molly. We'll rescue your teddy. Come on, everyone! Oh, whoops! The teddy's on Fiona! Follow that fire truck! Fiona! Stop! Ooh, what the?
Hop it, Frog! Let me past! Wilma T. Weasel coming through! No! The light is always red!
Wait, Fiona! I need to look on your roof! Nuts and bolts! It's gone!
Oh, about time. Well, well, a new mascot to share our journeys with, Sly. Where's my camera? I want to take a photo. And maybe I'll use the teddy to clean my windows too. Yeah.
Oh, we'll keep looking, Molly. Don't worry. We would get a better view from the sky. Spinning screwdrivers! It's Molly's teddy! Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Where's it gone, Sly? It can't have just vanished.
Bye, everyone. Huh? Fiona fire truck. What's the matter? Your hose isn't working. Let's take a look. Don't you worry, Fiona. We'll soon get you fixed. I'll get my best wrench. What? Come on, mechanicals. Give me a hand, please. Are you all right, Yellow? Well, I think that's the problem fixed. Thanks for visiting us at Gecko's garage, Fiona. Bye! All done, mechanicals. It's Christmas Eve, and the garage looks perfect. Do you all know what you want from Santa? Oh, you don't know, Blue?
Well, you'd better decide. Santa will be here soon.
Oh, whoa! I didn't think he'd be here that soon. Hello, Santa.
Gekko, I need your help. My reindeers are ill, so my sleigh won't fly, and I need to ride it through the sky. If I don't deliver all these toys, there'll be no Christmas for the girls and boys.
Don't worry, Santa. We'll get it flying. That's it.
Christmas is saved by Gekko's crew, so here's a gift for each of you.
Just what I need. Thank you, Santa.
Have you decided what you want, Blue?
Oh, you want to ride upon my sleigh? Then hop on board. Let's fly away. Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, Merry Christmas from all of us here at Gekko's Garage.
Merry Christmas.
There you go, Eric. Your arm should be as good as new.
Mechanicals, what are you doing? Oh, I see. You're looking for pirate treasure. Yaha, me hearty! What was that noise? Eric's found something. Maybe it's buried treasure.
Wonder what these are.
Oh, yellow. It might not be gold, but that doesn't mean it isn't treasure. Oh! Ta-da! It's an old railway handcar. But, something is missing. Ah! Wow! Eric's found the old railway. Try it now, mechanicals! See? Just because something isn't silver and gold doesn't mean it's not treasure. Go, go, mechanicals!